Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make vegetable soup in my mother-in-law's kitchen. So meanwhile, the kids will be helping me out to prep the vegetables. We are using water leaf and pumpkin leaf, that is Ogo, and this is what it looks like. This one over here is water leaf, and that is what the kids are prepping now. And this over here is Ogo pumpkin leaf. I will also be using fresh uziza leaf. So let's start cooking. Inside a pot, I added palm oil. Once it is hot, I will add a lot of onions. I'm using pink onion. You can use white onion as well. So I will give it a stir and I will allow it to fry a bit till it is pale. Once that is done, then I will introduce the crayfish, the ogiri, and also I have dry pepper inside it as well. So I will stir with a stir to fry it a bit. Then I'll be introducing the seasoning cube. You can use any kind of seasoning or bouillon of your choice. Then after that, I will give it a stir again. I'm frying it and I don't want it to burn. I will fry for at least a minute so that it will bring out the flavor. Then once I'm done frying it, I will introduce the pumpkin leaf. See how bold that I cut my pumpkin leaf. If you don't love your vegetables so bold like this, you can slice it very tiny. I don't know how to slice vegetables so tiny. So I'll be adding the pumpkin leaf, and I added it first because it is harder than the water leaf. So I will stir and allow this to cook a bit. Vegetables doesn't take too much time to cook, so once it has wilted like this, I will be adding the uziza leaf, that's the cubeb leaf. You can use uziza seed if that is what you have, but I love me some uziza leaf, some fresh uziza. I will stir and I will allow it to cook a bit as well. I've already cooked the meat, the fish, and all those beautiful yummy things behind the camera. So I'm using goat meat, dry catfish, and dry stockfish. So I just added it now. I will give it a stir. I make sure that I cook the meat till the water is like almost 100% dried off, but there was still a little bit of water in it. Now I'm introducing the water leaf. So you see the way I cut the water leaf too. Like, I'm so lazy when it comes to cutting of vegetables. I don't know how to cut it so tiny. So if you love cutting vegetables, cut your own tiny so that your soup will look nicer than mine. So I give it a stir, cover it, and allow it to cook as well. After 2 minutes, I opened it. I stir it to combine everything together just like so. And you know, while stirring it, it makes the one up to go down, and the ones down come up. It will make the vegetable to cook evenly. So you see, it doesn't have any water. If you want, or if you like water in your vegetable, you can add a little bit of water, but vegetable soup usually doesn't have water. So I will add a little bit of salt because there is salt in the crayfish and there is salt in the seasoning cube. So I will add a little bit of oil again. You can skip it. I will add a little bit of crayfish, but I want the vegetable soup to have that popping color, you know. So that's why I added a little bit of more palm oil. Give it a final stir. Test for salt if you want, and you can adjust. You can add seasoning if that's what you want. I don't like too much seasoning, so that's why I added a little bit of salt. Then once everything has steamed up again, after a minute, it is ready. You can enjoy it with any swallow of your choice. You can eat it with yam, rice, or potato. Thank you for watching. Bye.